Welcome back. We have a video today. We're going to be showing you on how to use the masking tool. We used the quick selector tool, so if you watched the last video, so please make sure you watch that video before you watch this one, because this one is going to be adding on to that video. This video we have the image already selected, so all we have to do is just click on the mask tool. So we go to the bottom tool with the little rectangle with a circle in the middle. That is the mask. You're adding a mask to it, so we click on that. That removes that whole background. So if you don't do Control J, you want to actually keep the back of the image, you can. If you want to bring stuff back and remove stuff, make sure your mask is selected. It's black and white, so if you select that, you select the eraser. If you want to bring it back and remove it, you have to use the selector, the colors right here on the bottom left on the tool panel. So black would actually add stuff back in. So if you want to actually add stuff back, you just go around the image. If you crop too much, like let's say if we zoom in and I want to make this more defined, I'll just start bringing things back so it could bring back a smoother texture. So as you can see how it's smoothing out. So if you messed up a little bit, you could actually start bringing things back so you could smooth out your image. As you can see, I'm smoothing it out. And if you want to remove stuff, like if I have too much bubbles there, you do click on the swapper, and then you can just start erasing some of the excess to smooth out the skin, to smooth out whatever image you're cropping. So as we zoom out, as you can tell, it looks more flush. Now let's go ahead and, as you can see, I'm going to patch it up here a little bit. As we zoom out, as you can tell, it looks more flush. That's how you use that tool. It makes it much easier. So if you don't crop it, if you use Control J, you're just cutting and pasting. This makes it much easier. So if you need to go back and remove and add stuff that you actually deleted, you're actually able to at that specific timing. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like this video and hope to see you on the next video. Peace.